This is step 3. What we're going to do now is put this, your forefinger, remember that, and your step 2 together, which was step 2 was your thumb. Try it together. So we just do them together. Forefinger on that C sharp, thumb on that G sharp. Right, let's go slow. And back. That over and over, and when you start getting more relaxed, you can even start to slide like this. And the first, slide down. There's a slide. Sounds so cool. You can slide backwards. Okay, that's your step 3. Go, practice. And practice, and then come back for step 4. Welcome to step 4. So in step 3, we were doing fingers. Okay, so what we're going to do now is see the sequence of the song. To start that, I'm going to introduce to you this extra F and C. You've got to remember this one. So we know this already. 2, 3, 4. This one's new. It will come in at some point. So let's see when. So this is the sequence where it goes. So it goes. I'm gonna call that a complete sequence. That's 1, okay? So that's 1. So if I do, that's 2. So let's do. That's 1. That's 2. So on the second time, we move to this chord. I want to play the song for you so you can see exactly what I mean. So watch my left hand. That's 1, yeah? Second time now. Now, don't go here anymore, we go to here. And then do it again. That's 1, yeah? And how do you finish it? Finish on E and B twice. So step 4 is to practice the sequence of the left hand. I'm going to do it with you, so you can practice with me over and over. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then finishing like that. This one twice. And that's step 4. Well done. You know the left hand. Can you practice that over and over before you come to step 5, which is your right hand? So before you do step 5, can you try and play it at least this well? When you can do that, I'll see you at step 5.